Holy dude, it is so loud right now. Why?
Nice pants. Nice pants. Nice pants. Those are nice pants.
Oh, look. Oh, shit, are these all Groms? Oh, shit, it's Parker. Here, come here. Change the plans. You cool with that?
I'm cool with it.
What's up, bro? What's going on, man? I didn't know y'all were riding. I was just out randomly.
What's that mean?
All right. Check it. Hold on. He's good. There's some dudes that are crazy good.
Oh, that sucks.
Oh,
Is he gonna fucking fuck with him?
Probably not. Honestly, probably not.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, they want to pursue. Let's go.
Yeah.
I think they just wanted us to move.
Philly is so fucking cool, man.
So yeah, airport on our left, kind of cool. If we get really lucky, sometimes the flight path of the aircraft will like come right above us right now.
Oh, that'd be dope.
It usually happens right up here after this little corner we're going left. That's where it happened to me twice. I was just kind of chilling, like I'll normally stop up here. Actually, we'll do that. We'll stop for a second, see if we get lucky. For some reason, this spot, I've been lucky where I stop here and I hang out for a second, and they fly like out of nowhere, like this, like real low, and you're like that way.
Dude, that'd be dope.
I know.
A few moments later.
It's all like ratcheted. Cool, man.
Yeah, that shit ain't going nowhere. It's amazing how dead it is around here. It's crazy. This whole area is usually fucking hopping, bro, all the time.
Dude, it like
It's loud as shit.
echoes
bro.
with all the
It's supposed to be like 100 decibels. Oh, there's a cop right there.
What a beautiful building.
I know. It's amazing, isn't it? That's William Penn up there on the top. You know who William Penn is?
Yeah.
Who? What'd he do?
He invented the pen.
No, one of the most famous things is he drafted the fucking Constitution.
Look at that thing!
Oh, it's a CA, bro! Get next to this thing, bro. Get up there. Oh, it is! First time seeing one in person!
This is the first one I've seen, too.
Oh, bro! Oh, my God. I'm getting to the right of this thing. Oh, it's beautiful! Oh, my God. Thank you for showing me this today. Oh, Lord. Let me get a... Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I love it. That's beautiful, man.
You don't even want to look.
Come then.
Dope as though, man.
Dude, when I get it and then people are like, reacting, I'm definitely going to give them attention. That's whatever. Be snooty, bro. Rev it or something. What an ass. What a doucher. Doesn't even deserve it. Doesn't even deserve the car. People all want to know where that comes from, and they start looking around, and they see this thing. Look at those people laughing at this thing. The Grom just makes people smile. Yeah, they just see it, they smile. Watch these people jump, right? Oh, sorry. My bad.
You ain't sorry.
I know, but I do feel bad. When I startle somebody that bad, I kind of feel bad. But it's like, some people like being startled. Other people do not, you know? I like being startled. If you can startle me, great, because it's a funny feeling. It doesn't happen often to me. Oh, look at all the bikes. A whole bunch of bikes. Let's go. Hurry. It's a shutdown ride, bro. Come on. Let's go. Don't worry about these cars. Come with me. Come with me. Right side. Watch for doors. Press. We're gonna no turn on red yet, right? Get ready. You with me?
Yeah.
Ready, huh? Stay on the shoulder a little bit. Come on. Hurry up. All last. Oh, they're going right. Make it right here. See him over there?
The Great Pursuit.
See him over there? Let's try to intercept. We're going to go left right here. Go quick. Come on. Stay with me. Oh, we lost them. They're gone. Oh, well. We'll go back to Broad, I guess. Yeah, it's fun to try.
Kick it.
Smoke's pretty good, apparently.
Tell me you just melted a patch in the fucking thing, dude. Back up, seriously. There's like a piece gone in the pavement.
Oh, dude, I can't believe that. 35 on this. Watch how fast people go over this stupid thing. 35, and they're going to all do 80 past us. I do it too, so I can't talk shit.
I gotta get like a head start.
I'm in full talk. We're going to get the drone shot coming up on your butthole. Oh, shit, the drone is right over your shoulder. Don't move. I'm coming, like, right up on you. Go, dude. The drone is, like, right above you, bro. Oh, hold on. I'm getting closer. Oh, keep it at the face. I'm going to almost touch you with the camera, like, crazy close.
No, you don't!
Bro,
No! Get out of here!
you know the shot this is going to get? Seriously.
Let's go!
This probably looks so stupid behind us. If you look at me, I'm hanging completely off my thing to get this down to you. Oh, he's going in for the win.
No!
You can't get me, bro. You can't get me, bro. Hey, look, rain, bro. Get it?
Rain,
like
bro.
Rain. Oh, rain, bro.
What's up? Same, yeah, sorry.
Nice meme.